And this feeling comes again. So wonderful, so long awaited. The feeling of inspiration, the great desire to draw. At first it feels scary. What if it will disappear so fast? And I try to use this opportunity as much as I can. The big day needs to be celebrated. And I do sketches, create, make ideas real. The inner perfectionist stays silent for a while. Or more correctly, I can't hear him because of so many chaotic thoughts and ideas, which beg for write them down. But better to cut the line and bring them to life immediately. A couple of days goes by, and I hear this familiar voice in my head. Oh no, you are not in the good inspired mood. You are tired. And the feeling of inspiration is so weak. Let's postpone this project until the perfect moment and atmosphere, otherwise it is no way succeed. Yes, our old mate, the inner perfectionist, called out the procrastinator for help. Together, it is easier to persuade the creator to postpone the project to wait for the perfect moment. Moreover, they have so good-natured reasons, and they advise just to make the art project better. They wish me to be succeed. And I need to confront them constantly. It is easier to save it for later, to take a book thinking that I am waiting for the perfect moment of inspiration. I have done that before. And the result is, only a small percentage of my ideas became real, and the rest are off the screen. That's why the slogan on the desk in my art studio is per aspera ad astra. Just grow, just push the limits, just do small steps and don't give in to my weaknesses. Just do one more step forward. Maybe it is hard, but one more tiny step to my dream. And this is not about the productivity philosophy like do more, get more. This is about the inner mindfulness, to choose to move forward for the sake of my dream, to reach for the stars.